I don't think these fish could be any cuter. These little wooden fish are simple, they're rustic, and exactly what you'd want for a casual coastal look. These are gonna go in a lake house bathroom. It is a 2-piece coastal charm. So what I like about these, effortless beach house vibe. They are the kind of accents that instantly make a space feel more relaxed. As I said, perfect for a lake house, a bathroom, any kind of coastal theme, a hallway, a guest room. They are ready to hang. They have the little hook here, ready to hang. And it was pre-attached, so it's gonna go up in just minutes. And they are a nice size and quality, definitely well made. Both of them are right under 10 inches, 9 by 9.5. And they are so cute. They're not overpowering decor. They are just adorable. Look at the colors, the seashell. They're just so cute. Would I buy again? Absolutely. They're a great finishing touch and also would make a sweet gift for anybody decorating a beach house or coastal themed space. Final verdict, a subtle but stylish touch of the coastal nautical kind of theme. They're well made, they're gonna be easy to hang, and they're beautifully priced. These 2 wood fish are gonna bring charm without trying too hard. Highly recommend.